I want to walk you through how to change the deadlines for your MyOpenMath course. Once you've logged into your MyOpenMath course, you'll want to notice under the Mass Change option, you can go to Dates. We're going to worry about the end dates. I have it set up to always allow students to review their old assignments, but you can go ahead and change that if you want. It's pretty straightforward on how to change it. You can come over here and just retype it so that instead of New Year's Eve, if you want to make it, I don't know, 11/29, 2016, you can do that. And once you do the changes, you're going to click Save Changes. Hopefully that's obvious. This might seem daunting because there are so many assignments in this course, but it's actually not going to end up being a huge deal because you can go ahead and click the check mark here next to Module 1, and you'll see that selects all the Module 1 assessments. So if they all have the same deadline, you can come in here and type in 11/28, whatever you're going to set the deadline to be. And then with all those checked, you can go ahead and copy down the dates and times. You can just do the end dates or all. They're all the same, doesn't really matter. But you can copy them down. And once you do copy that down, you can see they all change for that module. So you can definitely change a lot of things at the same time. And then again, you'll click on Save Changes once you're done with all of your changes.